This is how you're going to delete your ManyChat account permanently. So if you want to close your account entirely, this is how you're going to do it. So first step, you're going to make sure that you're going to head over to the app.manychat.com, and then you're going to sign in or sign up for an account. Now, from the ManyChat dashboard, you're going to head over to settings. Just click on this gear icon from the left sidebar or the left side menu. And then from here, you're going to click on the general section from the main section. So just click on this general. Usually it is the very first page that you get to once you click on settings. And then from here, you're just going to scroll down to the very bottom of this page, and then you're going to click on delete. So you have here the option to delete your account. You're just going to click on delete, and then first, before you delete it, you will need to complete all of the steps below. So for this one, it all depends on what your current subscriptions are, as well as the channels that are currently associated with your account. So in my case, since I have a subscription, I'm gonna have to cancel my subscription first by clicking in here, and then here I'm going to have to disable my subscription. So if you are currently on subscription, this is also going to apply to you. Now from here, I'm just gonna head over back to the general section, and then I'm gonna check once again the steps that I have to do. You also have to select a channel that are associated with your account. So you're going to remove all of these channels. You can click on them and then just delete them from there. You can just click on remove right there. So it's very easy to just disconnect it. It will usually take you, or it will usually give you these links that you can just click and then click on delete. And that's it. Once you're done doing all of these steps, a delete button will appear, and that's it. That is how you're going to delete your account permanently in ManyChat. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.